Oh, thank you very much, and you're most welcome to this episode. Call it 1.2, in which we are going to look at what we said is a closed system. So today we are going to look at 1.2, closed system. So let us look at two subsystems. Let's have a drawing like this, and I'm going to have something like this with a barrier in between two subsystems and a wall. So we call this subsystem 1 and call this subsystem 2. So subsystem 1 and subsystem 2 form what we call a system. So these are separated by a fixed adiabatic partition. This one here, the two subsystems are separated by a fixed adiabatic partition, and the two subsystems are also enclosed by a rigid outer adiabatic wall. This is a rigid outer adiabatic wall. So now this subsystem, that is subsystem 1 and subsystem 2, have got variables in them, and these variables are one, internal energy, we call it U, we shall use U. We have number of particles, we shall use N, and then volume, we shall use V. So for subsystem 1, we shall use that internal energy will be given as U1, comma, a number of particles will be given as N1, and the volume will be given by V1. Then for subsystem 2, its internal energy will be given by U, then comma, its number of particles will be given as N2, comma, and its volume will be given by V2. Now, for a composite system, when we combine the subsystem 1 and subsystem 2, we are going to have the total number of particles, will equal to N1 plus N2. Then the total volume will equal to V1 plus V2. Then also total internal energy, will also equal to U1 plus U2. Now, if this is true, that for a composite system, that the total number of particles will equal to N1 plus N2, and the total volume will equal to V1 plus V2, and then total energy equals to U1 plus U2. There is no any other addition in the number of particles, no addition in the volume, no addition in the energy from the outside. And then this system will be said to be a closed system. As long as we achieve this, that for these subsystems, if you combine them together, then the variables that are in are just a summation of the variables in one system to another, one subsystem to another. And then the system is said to be closed. Thank you very much for watching.